In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new TGD marketing funnels feature and the presentation page. So first, go to thegreatdiscovery.com, and in the right-hand corner, you can see login. So I'm going to log into my account first. And now that I'm logged in and I want to share things on the Great Discovery, that is affiliate activity. So I'm going to come up here to the top and click on For Affiliates. Now you'll see up here in the navigation bar, we have funnels and presentation page. I'm first going to go to funnels, and right here we have ready to share funnels. This is our AI Genius Club affiliate funnel. So if you want to preview the funnel as an affiliate, you can click here and you have a preview of what the funnel will look like. Now, if you need marketing materials to help you promote the funnel, you can click here. And if you want to copy your link to the funnel, you'll click here. Now, this will be the thumbnail image that's posted on social media. And if you'd like to change it, you can click down here on customize and then choose from the different thumbnail images. So let's say I go to that one, I can choose this one, and then I can come down here and I can copy my affiliate link. Let's say you were promoting this to people who speak a different language. You could select, let's say, Spanish. And then what that will do is it will give a link to the exact same funnel, but just in a different language. For this example, I'm just going to copy the normal English link here, and I go to Facebook and I create a post. I then paste that link. You'll see that it will have my affiliate link there, plus the image that I customized or selected. Now, when somebody goes to the link, this is what the live link looks like for somebody who doesn't already have a Great Discovery account. I'll have a video over here, and then I'll have a free registration for them to become an affiliate of the Genius Club at no cost. So they simply fill this out, check the box, and become an affiliate. After they become an affiliate of the Genius Club, it will take them to step 2, which will essentially be another video promoting the Genius Club and allowing them to become a member of the AI Genius Club. So the idea is that they become an affiliate first, and then if they'd like to start their own membership, they have the option here. Also, once they become an affiliate, you'll see on this next screen, step 2, they can easily copy their affiliate link and start sharing this exact funnel with others right away. Okay, so that's the funnels page. We have one funnel now, but we'll be adding a lot more funnels as we go. And again, if you click grab marketing, then you can download all the different images here. Now let's look at the presentation page. So the presentation page is essentially one place where somebody can find all the different videos on the Great Discovery. So this is a really great page to share if someone needs an introduction and overview into all the different products that we have on the Great Discovery. There's the overview video, the Creator Suite video, the AI Genius Club video, the affiliate video, channels video, free courses video, TGD Kids video, and Discovery Box. Now, what's also really great about this page is when you're sharing it, they can watch the video and then click here, and then this will take them exactly to the purchase page for that particular video or offer. And so this is the presentations page. If you scroll down, you'll see that we have the TGD event calendar. So if somebody did want to also attend a live event, we have that there as well. And again, to find the presentation page, go to thegreatdiscovery.com, click on For Affiliates, and you'll see the presentation pages right here. So that's a short tutorial on TGD funnels and the presentation page. Thanks so much for watching this video, and we'll see you soon.